I'm gonna talk today about things that you only own one of. We know it was in the title, thank you. I just wanted to mention that actually it's the second part of the video. The first part was filmed some time ago, which is just the footage was so big that I decided to divide it into two videos. So if you want to know the whole story, please go and watch the first part after this one if you want. I will link it, of course. See ya. That I only own one off. Before we start, please hit the like button and subscribe. Scissors for my nails, nail scissors. Do you have those? Or they are called the different way? Yeah, so I have only one pair of such scissors because why would I own more? I think, and we own them for ages. I believe for 5 years, I guess. I even took them from my first home when I moved here with my husband, so they are very old. The straw. I got only one metal straw and I had never used, oh, this English grammar sucks. Okay, I had never used a straw before I knew about the metal straw. And of course it's a lot more eco-friendly, it's a lot more comfortable to use the reusable straws instead of just disposable ones, because you have to buy disposable ones over and over and again, but you don't have to replace the reusable ones. This thought didn't expect too much logic from me, but still, you don't have to replace the reusable straw. I love to use it when I make smoothies, and as my husband does not like it, and we have only 2 people in our household, so one is enough. I have one plate or blanket, how do you call this? I believe that all over the world we call this thing different words, but I'll stick to plate. I have only one plate. It was gifted to me, so it was a really nice gift. You know, gifts are usually something that you have to deal with it after you're gifted, and you have to sell it or donate it. Usually for me, it's just people don't ask me what I want for the gift, but this was a really good gift because I've been using this plate for I guess 3 years, and I have been using it like really often. This is so amazing. I love seeing things being used. I don't know, it's just my thing. And it's comfortable to use it in summer because it's too hot for the whole blanket, and I can use it in nature when we have a picnic. I can put it on the ground. I can use it to cover myself if I just get cold sitting at the computer working, and it's so multi-purposeful. You know, it has a lot of purposes and I really love it, and it's like the beautiful gray color that I really love, and our walls just suit perfectly to this plate, which is absolutely incredible. I'm too emotional about the plate, right? The next thing is the clock. I got only one clock at my home and it's hanging on the wall, and I use it a lot because I look at it and see the time, which we all do having the clock. But I have only one of this and I don't need more because we have our phones beside us all the time. So why would we even think of having multiple clocks or watches? So why would we use more clocks if we have always the phone and computers beside us? It's just, for me, this does not make much sense. That's why I keep only one clock, and it suits really well to the wall because it has this gray round frame and it looks really minimal and beautiful for me, so it's also a piece of interior design. I love it. The next thing is my coffee maker. There are many coffee makers. I decided to eventually use the Geyser coffee maker. For me, this is the most convenient option because it is just convenient to just pour water in it and wait 5 minutes and it's ready. It makes special noises when it's ready, so it's impossible for it to spill out as it's possible with some other coffee makers. Yes, it does not make some coffees as you can make with big coffee machines, but the coffee is subtle, it's really good, and it doesn't take much time, and we somehow decided to invest in it, and we bought quite the high range, more expensive Geyser coffee maker, and it absolutely fits all our needs because it has the big container with a lot of water. So if I make for myself, I can make it for the whole day. If I make for 2 people, it's enough for 2 big cups, so I'm really happy with it. I'm not going to change it, and if I'm going to switch it for another one, I will sell it immediately. I have only one winter coat. Yeah, and I have been using it for, I guess, 2 or 3 years already, or maybe even more, and I love it so much, and I haven't found any other winter coats that would be same good as this one. It's really warm, it's not very puffy, so it's comfortable to wear it and to move in it, and it's black, so it's used probably every other piece of clothes that I have, and it's also very long, so all my body is covered and really warm in winter. I have only one of this because I can wear it with some sweaters. If it's even colder, I can use sweaters and other shirts, or if it's colder, I can wear 2 sweaters and this winter coat. So this winter coat is just one item that I wear through probably November to March. And the last thing for today is my vase. I have had multiple vases, but the thing is that I'm not a very flower person, I'm more of the foliage person. I like plants more than some flowers that will die in a week, but I'll tell you that sometimes I do even want to buy a bouquet for myself, especially in the end of summer when a lot of elderly people sit in, around the metro stations and selling their flowers from their gardens, and this is just beautiful. And I know that I am buying it from a person that really needs money, first of all, and second of all, really puts the soul into growing things. It's not some corporational thing, so I don't know, I probably need to buy some. Yeah, in this case I like flowers, but I buy them really rarely, probably once a year, so I have only one vase and I usually propagate things in it, so I don't really need more. This was my list. If you have other things that you own only one of, or if you have some things that are the same as mine, please leave me a comment down below. I would be really interested to see what people have only one of. It's just great to get ideas from the comment section and to see how people live in other countries. If you are not from Ukraine, probably you are not. Have a nice day. Bye.